Okay, so I sent another video link, but here's just another example of how to solve systems of equations with non-linear graphs. So in other words, graphs that aren't just a straight line. So we type into Desmos either using our keyboard, and I'll do one with my keyboard, because that's the one I'm comfortable with, and one without, or the on-screen keyboard. So in this case, we have y equals 2x plus 1. Okay, then our second one is y equals x squared. Okay, x squared plus 2x minus 8. And again, it doesn't matter what color these are or what type of graphs they are, as long as you write them correctly and you have y equals and you use all lowercase letters, you'll be able to get this. So a solution set to a system of equation is where the two lines cross. So we're looking at where the red line and the blue line cross. So I'm going to click on those points. And those are the instances, or those are the solutions. So one of our solutions is -3, -5, and the other is 3, 7. In your answer choice, it doesn't matter which one of these sets, these coordinate pairs, come first, but inside the parentheses, they do have to be in the right order. So 3, 7, and then -3, -5. So once you graph it in Desmos, and then you click on the spots where they intersect, you have your answers. Now, keep in mind that you might need to zoom in or out depending on how far away it is. Okay, so when I graphed it, I couldn't see this upper one, the 3, 7. I couldn't see that point. So I zoomed out a little bit so that I could see where they both crossed, and then I clicked on those points. Now, if you notice, there are 2 more points that are kind of grayed out on the red line. Those we do not care about for this problem because we only care about where the lines intersect each other. So where the red and blue lines. And again, this color can be different. It might be maybe one is purple and maybe one is black. It just depends on what Desmos does for you. But there you go. And then once you have that, you're done.